in a land far beyond the mountains, where winter never ends. There was a small village made of ice, stone, and silence. Snow covered everything. The wind never rested, and the cold tested every breath. This was a place where life was not easy and nothing was given freely. The village stood alone, small against endless frozen mountains, surviving one long winter after another. There were no children here. Only old men and women remained. Their hair was white like snow. Their hands were slow. Their bodies were tired. But every evening, they gathered around a small fire in the center of the village. The fire was weak, but it was precious. It warmed their hands, it cooked simple food, and it reminded them that they were still alive. As winter grew harsher, the fire began to fade. The cold became stronger, and hope became fragile. So they made a choice. Not to wait, not to complain, but to work. Before sunrise, they stepped onto frozen roads, carrying tools heavier than their age. Their steps were slow, but their direction was clear. They cleared snow from roads. They repaired broken paths. They worked in distant mountain hotels, cleaning floors, carrying firewood, fixing doors. Their hands cracked. Their breath froze in the air. Their bodies ached. Still, they returned the next day, and the next. Storms came and passed. Days turned into nights. Weeks turned into months. Winter tested them again and again. But they did not stop. Every shovel of snow, every repaired stone, every honest coin earned kept the village alive. Slowly, something changed. The snow began to melt. Water flowed where ice once ruled. Green grass pushed through the cold ground. The roads opened. The village breathed again. The fire still burned. Not desperate now, but calm and steady. The old people stood quietly, watching the sunrise over their home. They did not celebrate loudly. They did not rush. They simply smiled. Because they knew something important. Winter did not defeat them. Time did not defeat them. Age did not defeat them. Their effort did. And as the village turned green once more, the fire continued to glow, reminding everyone of a simple truth: hard work survives every winter.